Today I'm going to teach you how to track costs or commission in Pipedrive. This is incredibly useful if you want to monitor your team's earnings or keep tabs on deal-related expenses, all within one streamlined dashboard. First, open your browser and head over to pipedrive.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main Pipedrive dashboard, which is your central hub for managing deals and tracking progress. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on the Deals icon. This will take you to your Deals view, where all your active and past deals are listed. From here, click on any deal to open it. This step is important because it allows you to access the deal's details and customize the fields you need. Once the deal is open, look to the left side under the Details section. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Drag and Drop Fields. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Custom Field. This is where you'll create a new field specifically for tracking commission or costs. Now, input a name for this field. You can call it something like commission or cost, depending on what you're tracking. Next, in the Field Type drop-down, make sure to select Monetary. This ensures that the field is formatted correctly for financial data. Once you've done that, click Save. Your custom field is now created and ready to use. Now, go back to your Deals view and switch to List view. This gives you a clearer, more organized table of all your deals. On the right side of the screen, click on the Settings icon. A menu will appear, and from there, check the box next to Commission or whatever you named your custom field. This adds the field as a visible column in your list view. Click Save to apply the changes. With your custom field now visible, you can start inputting data. Go ahead and input the commission amount for any one deals. This step is crucial because it populates your field with the data you'll be analyzing later. Once you've entered the relevant data, click on the Insights icon on the left side of your screen. This is where Pipedrive's reporting tools live. In the Reports section, click on the three dots and select Report. This opens up the Report Builder, where you can create custom reports based on your deals. Select Deal Performance from the Report Type options, then click Continue. This sets up the foundation for your commission tracking report. By default, the report might be set to Deal Created On, but you'll want to change this to One Time. This ensures you're tracking commissions based on when deals were actually closed, not just created. On the left side of the Report Builder, change the measure by field to commission. This tells Pipedrive to calculate and display your commission data. Then, on the bottom side, change the view by option to One Time as well. This organizes your report chronologically based on when deals were won, giving you a clear timeline of your earnings. Finally, click Save to lock in your custom report. You've now successfully set up commission tracking in Pipedrive, and you can view detailed reports on your earnings whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.